Hello. So I'm here to talk to you about Spanish and what it's like to do Spanish at A-level. The major difference that you would notice between doing GCSE and A-level would be that at A-level we focus on topics that give you, the students, a much better understanding of the Hispanic world, countries and communities where Spanish is the main language. And this means that the ideas that we ask you to express will be more complex and therefore will require a more complex level of language than you might be used to at GCSE. In terms of what we actually study, in your first year we look at two major areas, and the first major area is called Aspects of Hispanic Society, and that includes talking about things like families, technology, equality and changing attitudes in society. And then at the same time you'll be studying something called artistic culture in the Hispanic world. And that means looking at the regional diversity of Spain and other countries, looking at film, technology, music, cinema and television. In year 2, things change and the topics become slightly more complex, and we do some other things as well. And that means that we look at multiculturalism. So we look at topics like racism and immigration and how they affect people in Spanish-speaking countries. And we look at aspects of political life. But you will also be studying a project that forms part of your speaking exam, and we do some cultural work on a film and a play. In terms of how Spanish is taught in the sixth form, you'll have two teachers that will work in tandem with the Spanish assistant, Mr. Fernandez Valverde, and we speak in a mixture of Spanish and English. We use authentic resources, websites, videos, a textbook, and also do lots of work in our digital language laboratory. In terms of the work that you do, we get you to do essays, grammar exercises, interactive activities, maybe doing some presentations and preparing speaking tasks and doing past papers to practice. And in terms of what we do to enrich the curriculum, we, in a usual year, we go to Andalusia every year with our older students, and we have 4 or 5 days in the south of Spain. And also we have a partner school in Argentina that we often do work with. They come to us and we are planning hopefully to go to them at some point in the near future. We also get you involved in working with 2 charities called LAF and Otra Cosa, which you may have heard about in Assembly. And any further details can be found in the sixth form options booklet. Muchas gracias.